Hi, it's Sukhraj Kaur. Today I'm going to represent my assignment 2 for digital forensic, and today I'm going to explain three of the sections according to our assignment 2. In section 1, I'm going to do steganography, or we can say I'm going to hide data behind a graphic file. And in section 2, I'm going to use some of forensic tool for analysis and validation. And moreover, I'm going to retrieve a password for my password protected file, as well as I am going to check the mismatched extensions and header files too. And in last section, I am going to use anti-forensic tool to encrypt my data. So let's jump in my video. So first of all, I'm going to use this steganography tool. It's a Zayo steganography. I'll just add my file here and load targeted file here. So I will select my file from my folder. So I'll go to my So I will select my file and just open it here. As you can see, it's my graphic file. So I'll press next. Now I will add my secret message here, which is as a Word document with me. I'll just open it, then press it, and I will choose some of encryption options. So I'm using SHA as a hashing algorithm and providing it a password. Just press next, and so I'm sorry for error. So yeah, I'm going to save it as test file, test.bmp file. Okay, save it and just close it. Okay, so it's showing error because I've already done it in Word document for my assignment. So okay, then let's compare it, both of the file in CMD command prompt. Yeah, I'll go to my command prompt. So it's in my OneDrive. OneDrive. So it's on desktop. So it was my assignment 1. Now I'm going to compare my file. First was scratch.bmp, and another was my test file, test.bmp. So as you can see, there are 10 mismatches here. So we are done with part 1. So in section 2, I'm going to use Hex Workshop for my analysis and validation. I'll go to the file and open my file here, and my file is Sukhraj. As you can see, there are two files already because we have already done we have used this as a in our assignment in Word document. So we have took some screenshots. Sorry, I opened the wrong one. I'll just go and open my file sukhraj.txt. So yeah, here it is my file that I opened here. So first of all, we will perform some bit operations. So here are all the bit operations like shift left, right, rotate right, left, and all that. First, we will start with shift left, press OK. So as you can, it's encrypted. Then we're gonna go for rotate left, press OK. So then block shift left. So it's here. So we will save it, file, save. Okay. Now again, we're gonna go in reverse position to get our original data. We will press block shift right, again rotate right, and press OK, and then shift right, press OK. As you can see, my original data is retrieved here. So for analysis, I will go to the tools and just compare both of my files that I've saved already. Compare files. So it's my Sukhraj text file, open it, and another one is my test1 file. I'll just open it and press OK. As you can see, my both of the files are matched here. So its validation is done with the hex workshop on the same file. So that's all for validation. And for the next step, as we know that we are going to check file extensions and all. So we will do one thing. So we will go to this file and just change the extension of it. So like I will change its extension to docs unless it's a BMP file. So just minimize it. Again, we will go to the hex workshop for this extension verification. Just open and I will go to my desktop and assignment1 folder. As you can see, I've changed its extension to docs. I'll just open it. So it will itself proves that like we know all the file extensions like the starting characters of a bit all the bits proves itself which file is it. So if it will be a jpg file, then here will be jpg, and if it is a png file, then pn will be here, and for bmp file bm will be here. So it proves that it's not a word document, it's a bmp file. So we can do in another way too. So we can also change the extension of our document. Let's change the extension of this document. It's a word document. I will rename it as sorry. I will rename it as jpg file. Yeah. So now we will go to the OS forensic to prove that it's not a JPG file, it's a Word document. So we'll just open OS forensic. Yes. So here is OS forensic. Just go to file and hex viewer and just upload the file here for which you want to check the extension. Like mine was in this one, and this is, just open it. So we will check its metadata, as it already proves that it's an unspotted file format because it is not a JPG file, it is a Word document. So we'll go to the metadata. So you can check, I have given that file name as a JPG, but it is not a JPG, it is a file type, a document, Word document, that is a docs. So it's already proved that it is not a JPG file. So in this way, we can check the mismatched extensions and headers of the file. So in next part, I will go through the I will go to the password protected file and just retrieve the password of it. So as I don't have any password protected files, I will just go to my this Word document and just change it to as PDF. So I will just save as a copy, as a PDF, and I will I'll go to the more option, just select PDF here. And here I'll select PDF and I will go to options and I will encrypt it with a password. So I'll give it password here. Okay. So we will retrieve this password after this. So I'll just save it, and so as you can see that this PDF name requires a password because it is a password protected file. So as we don't know the password for this, so I will just retrieve its password. I will do one thing. I will just go to the OS forensic, and I will go to passwords. Then I will decryption. I will go to decryption and password recovery. Just browse the file. So because I don't have any password for my PDF file, just go to the desktop, and here is my resume that I've created as a PDF. I'll just open it and just I will select all the passwords that I want. So I will just press start. So now it will recover my password. So it will take some time. So here we got a password. So as you can see, I have got my password through this OS forensic file. So we can see that we can like get the password from this OS forensic tool. If there is any password protected file, I will go to that PDF, just insert the password here and submit. So as you can see, it will open after that password. So here it is. So that's all for section 2. Now I am going to section 3. That's an anti-forensic tool. So here I'm using anti-forensic tool, that is a cryptometer. So as we know that anti-forensic methods make it difficult for forensic investigators to locate the suspected party and discourage them to confirming that they are they can find the convicted suspect. So what I will do, it's encryption method. So I will go to this forensic tool and just add a wallet, and just sharing new slide. Then I will create a new wallet, so where I can keep my encrypted data. So I'll make it as Sukhraj Kaur. I'll just press next. Then I will customize the location where I want to keep it. So I will just customize it, and just want to keep it on desktop. And sorry, I want to keep it on my this PC. Select folder. Um, I have already made a wallet there, so that's why it's not giving me access to. So I will create that on my OneDrive and just press next. So I will give here password. I'll give some strong password. It will show here as a green line that it is a good password or not. So it's better to make safe when you lost your password. So I'll just create a wallet. So my wallet has been created, and so my wallet has been created. Now I'll press next. So if you want to unlock it, you have to give password. So I will give password here. So it will unlock my drive, so where I can drag my files and keep them safe. So now I will reveal my wallet. So reveal my drive that I made. So here is my drive This is on my OneDrive, and it's my Cryptomatter wallet, where I can drag and drop my for like files from here. So I'll just drag here my file, and after dragging, I'll just close it and lock my file from here on Cryptometer. After dragging, I will just lock it, and only as I know the password, so I can just open to my drive. So as after locking my wallet, you can see as I'm pressing on my this wallet drive, so it is saying that folder is empty, so my data has been encrypted. So that's all for my 3 of the section, and thank you for watching my video. Thanks a lot.